Well, hello everybody. I am here at the Waldo County District Attorney's Office. I have a few questions for them. Hi, how are you? I have a couple of questions. The first is, my name is Sean Floyd. I am currently charged with a couple of crimes, and I'm proceeding pro se. I don't know if that's that's the correct criminal term, but you know what I mean, right? As my own attorney. And I was here a couple of months ago and I asked for access to the files. Not from you, actually. I did ask sort of from you as well.
Okay.
But before that, I asked from Eric Harvey. And I gave him my email address. I still don't have access to those files.
Are you talking about the 2019 cases?
No. I'm sorry. That's a separate issue. That's a lawsuit, civil lawsuit that's happening.
Okay.
I'm talking right now about criminal charges that I'm currently charged with.
Yeah, let me just double check because I thought that I had received a notice that you do have an attorney. So let me just double check before.
I do have counsel that has been assigned to me. I'm proceeding pro se.
So that's a conversation for you to have with the court because we can't actually discuss with you your case when they've given us the notice that you have an attorney. That prevents us from being able to communicate with anyone other than your attorney.
Okay, got it.
So have the conversation with the court first, and once your attorney is officially withdrawn from you, then we can talk about it.
Okay, well, I mean, not withdrawn entirely. I'm going to rely on them for counsel. That's one of the options in the main Constitution. You can proceed on your own, you can proceed with counsel, or you can proceed represented by an attorney. I am going to proceed with counsel, but pro se. So that's one of my options. That.
So your ultimate goal is to get a copy of your discovery as well as your attorney having it? Is that what you're looking for? Is the
I don't care if my attorney has it, honestly.
Okay.
I care if I have it.
Okay.
And I'll share it with my attorney if need be.
Okay.
But what I care is, yeah, I need access to that.
Okay. So the way our office operates, though, is your attorney will receive it, and then your attorney can share it with you. So it's just...
I am my own attorney, though, is the thing. He's not my attorney.
Talk to the court about that so that...
I already have, but... well, okay. I guess a little bit of the confusion is... Sure. Well, and I assume you can sort of still hear me. Just a little bit of the confusion is when I spoke with Eric, he said he would, I got the idea that it wasn't a problem. He didn't say that per se, but I certainly got the idea that me having access to that wasn't a problem.
When did you talk to Eric?
That would have been right after I was charged with the first offense, which was end of October. So a few months ago. And I still have not heard anything. I gave him my email address, all that.
I'm printing a document and I'm just going to show it to you. Just a minute.
Okay. Just a minute. Therapy dog working. It's always good to know. What's going on here in the Waldo County District Attorney's Office? Really not too much. They got a few flyers here. Oh, hi.
Hi. Okay, so this is what we've received from the court. Generally, when a person is representing themselves as pro se, they list it here, and that would be, Jeff Toothaker would be listed as like a secondary counsel.
Okay, so I need to straighten that out basically first before I can get access. Okay.
Because
so,
right now what we see is that you are represented by Jeff Toothaker.
Right.
We only can speak with him about this. And
right, I understand that if he is my representative, but he's not. I made that very clear when but anyway, I'll clear that up with the courts. Okay, so that's my first question. I guess I'll take those.
Okay.
Or whatever you can give me there. Thank you.
This is stuff you already have these things.
I already have the police reports. That's what I already have.
Yeah. So just that is what's important.
Okay, and yeah, I'll clear that up with my. So, well, that's not your issue. I haven't been able to. I haven't heard back from him. I've tried to contact him and haven't heard back yet for a couple of weeks, but I'll keep trying. I guess that's not on you. The next question is, well, okay. I was down at the courthouse and explaining my situation and asking about whether Thomas Benner has been charged with any crimes. And they told me that what I should do is I should come up here and talk to victim services up here. So I am a victim of some crimes. So I guess I want to talk to victim services.
Yeah. So you're wanting to know if he was charged. Correct?
Well, I guess I don't know. They said he hasn't been yet. They recommended I come up here and talk to victim services. So I'm just following up with what they recommended.
Okay.
What the court recommended.
Give me just a second.
The answer to this is no, he was not charged with anything. No, you're not actually a victim because we don't think you're a victim because we blame victims. We don't actually blame perpetrators. We blame victims instead. Well, at least assuming the victim is an anti-police activist. I guess that's what we do then. Yeah, so this is just my notice of appointment, which I've already got.
I just needed to get permission to tell you that, so he has not officially been charged yet, but we have just received a new summons for him for that incident, and he is scheduled to be in court on February 19th. So that's when the arraignment date happens. You'll be contacted a few days before that date to let you know what's going on with that.
Okay, now I don't have a phone. Do you have an email address that?
I'll write it down.
Okay. A new summons. Well, this is good. Okay.
It's not a new summons. It's the same summons. It's a new date. It's a new court
Oh,
date.
I see.
It's
I'm sorry to be a little sarcastic here, but here's the thing. I deserve equal treatment under the law, and so that's probably not on you per se, but I do. And so, okay, my email address is all one word, thepartyofdogs, because that's what I am, @gmail.com.
Okay. So that's your preferred way of communication.
Right now, it's that or postal mail are my only options.
Okay. The victim witness advocate who you will be communicating with, her name is Katie.
Okay.
So she will be in touch with you a couple of days probably before the 19th.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that court date happens, she'll be in touch with you after that as well to keep you in the loop of what's going on.
Okay, that sounds excellent. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Okay, well, that's something, right? I mean, it's something. I don't know what'll come of it. But at least I'm getting something approaching equal protection under the law. What if I want to just go tell the sheriffs? Nah, I don't want to get arrested. Thanks. Peace.